Lydia. Okay, Louis, what is the first planet?
Mercury.
Mercury. Then what's next?
Venus.
Okay, then next?
Earth.
Earth. Oh, wow. Okay, what's next?
Mars.
Mars. Okay, what's next?
Peter.
Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay, what's next?
Peter.
No, what's next? What's next?
Shipping.
Ashley. Saturn. Okay, what's next?
Shipping Saturn.
Sleeping Saturn. Quiet. O, sige, what's next after Saturn?
Saturn.
Saturn, then? Ano next?
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay, next?
Venus.
Uranus. And then next?
Neptune.
Neptune ulit. Tapos?
Pluto.
Pluto. Yay! Galing ah.
Maya.
Meron pang dwarf planet. Ang galing Haumea. O, ano pa? Ha?
Maki Maki.
Maki-Maki. Okay, and then next?
Daddy Divya. Kiki.
Na.
Diversity.
I love you.
Seres.
Ceres.
Yay, ubos na.
Yay, ubos na. Ubos na. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you. Bye-bye. Bye.
That's all goodbye.
Ha?
This